If you are overlooks up, you need to pay very close attention to your feet tonight because they may be showing early warning signs that your heart is struggling, and most people completely miss this until it is too late. I am not trying to scare you, but I've seen patients ignore these signs for months thinking it was just aging, only to discover a serious heart problem later. And here's the part that worries me most. These signs often appear quietly in your feet long before you feel anything in your chest. So let me ask you something. Have you noticed your feet feeling colder than usual, or maybe a little swollen at the end of the day, or even a strange tingling sensation? Now here's where it gets dangerous. Your feet are the farthest point from your heart, so when your circulation starts to weaken or your blood pressure becomes unstable, this is often the first place your body shows it, and if the blood isn't flowing properly to your feet, there's a strong chance it is not flowing properly to your brain either, which can affect memory, focus, and even increase your risk of stroke. Let me explain this clearly. Your heart is like a pump, and your blood vessels are like highways. When those highways start to narrow or stiffen, your feet begin to suffer first. But most people don't realize this until the damage has already started. So let us go through the 5 warning signs your feet may be showing right now. And I want you to think carefully if any of these sound familiar. The first sign is swelling in your feet or ankles, especially at night. This often means your heart is not pumping efficiently, causing fluid to build up in the lower part of your body. I had a patient who thought his shoes were just getting tight with age, but it turned out his heart was under stress and struggling to move blood upward. The second sign is cold feet, even in warm rooms. If your feet always feel cold, it could mean poor circulation, and that means your heart is not delivering enough oxygen rich blood to your extremities. And here's something most people don't realize. Reduced circulation doesn't just affect your feet, it also affects your brain, leading to fatigue and slower thinking. The third sign is numbness or tingling. Many people assume this is just nerve-related, but it can actually be linked to reduced blood flow, especially if it happens frequently or gets worse over time. Now pay attention to this next one because it surprises most people. The fourth sign is a change in skin color. If your feet look pale, bluish, or even slightly darker than usual, this can be a sign that oxygen levels in your blood are not where they should be, and that is directly connected to how well your heart is functioning. And here's the fifth sign, slow healing cuts or cracks on your feet. If small wounds take longer to heal, it may be because your circulation is not strong enough to deliver nutrients and oxygen needed for repair. Now you might be thinking, are these signs really that serious? And the answer is yes, because they are often early indicators of problems like high blood pressure, blocked arteries, or even early heart failure. But here's the good news. There are simple things you can start doing today to support your heart and improve circulation. First, pay attention to your hydration. Even mild dehydration can thicken your blood and make it harder for your heart to pump efficiently. Second, try elevating your feet force up to some minutes in the evening to help blood return to your heart. Third, take a short daily walk, even just to some minutes, because movement helps keep your blood flowing and prevents stiffness in your arteries. And one more thing most people overlook, check your blood pressure regularly, especially at night, because that's when hidden spikes can happen without symptoms. Now I want you to remember this. Your body is always communicating with you, and your feet are one of the clearest signals you have. Don't ignore them. If you notice any of these signs consistently, talk to your doctor and get it checked early, because catching these issues now can protect not just your heart, but your brain and your overall quality of life. And if this helped you see your health in a new way, make sure to subscribe, because the next video might reveal another hidden sign your body is trying to warn you about right now.